Muslims are a very special nation, chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Always remember that we all are the ambassadors of Islam. We all. Don't tell them you are Muslim, but show them you are a Muslim. When they see you, they see La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is not here, but their ambassadors are here. Ibrahim alayhi salam is not here, but his children are here. When you see a child, you remember a father. That was supposed to be a case. So always remember, we are supposed to be the testimony of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by our existence. Whenever people see us at our schools, colleges, universities, work, and whenever our kids, our friends sees us, when we interact with them, they know these people are different. These people have high sense of their deen, high sense of morality, and they have vision of future. They have excellence, creativity, truthfulness, mercifulness, graciousness, brotherhood, and